Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good morning to all of my Year 1 students. So for English today, Friday 28th May 2021, we're still at the topic of at school. For the success criteria of today, so at the end of the lesson, you must say this, okay? I can guess the correct words with guidance, punctuate at least in 3 sentences correctly. So you have to teka the correct words, perkataan yang betul, with my guidance, okay? Dengan saya punya tunjuk ajar, okay? And then the second one, punctuate at least 3 sentences, meaning you have to write correctly. You have to be able to put a capital letter or a full stop or the apostrophe, okay? Di mana tempat yang betul untuk letak semua tanda baca ni, okay? Alright. I will ask you a question based on this clip that I take from a Disney's Cinderella movie, the original version. Okay, so you take a look. Okay, you can see the Cinderella is running away from the prince. This is a moment where it is 12 o'clock. She needs to go home, or else she will be in a rotten cloth. Okay, so this is the duke, the workers of the prince trying to chase her. Okay, and she ran away. Okay, as you can see in the clips, Cinderella is losing her glass slipper, isn't it? So he left her glass slipper on the stairs. Okay, so what did you do when you saw other people's things in the class? So he is in the class. Okay, dalam kelas, kalau awak nampak someone yang tertinggal barang dia ataupun barang dia terletak atas meja somewhere in the class, and then you take that thing, apa yang awak akan buat? What did you say? Okay, what did you say actually? So you think about it, right? I want you to know what to say when you saw other people's things in the class. Okay, so here's a hint. Okay, I'm going to let you watch another video. This is a song video. Okay, take a look at the word. Here's your sticker. Don't worry, the video doesn't have sound. I mute it off. Okay, I dah mute dia, so you takkan dengar satu lagu pun. I just want you to look at the sentence. Tengok saja perkataannya. Okay, here's your sticker. Here's your sticker. So the boy will say, thank you, thank you, thank you very much. Okay, so you please focus dekat perkataan here's your sticker. Here's your sticker. Thank you, thank you, thank you very much. Okay, so that's about it. If you found someone else's thing in the class, you go to her and then you say, here's your pencil, here's your notebook. Okay, got it? Okay, take a look at this pencil. Okay, you have to take a look at this pencil. Okay, this is a pencil. As you can guess, it is a red pencil. Okay, the previous lesson we already learned about it. Okay, here's a pencil. That is how you say when you take someone else's things and you want to give it back to her or him. Okay, and then is it yours? You ask question. Okay, to make sure that whether this pencil belongs to her or him. Okay, here's a pencil. Is it yours? Okay, ini dia pensel awak. Adakah ini awak punya? You, macam itulah cara dia. Okay, so you have to say this word in English, of course. Okay, here's a pencil. Is it yours? Okay. Right, now I want you to rearrange these words correctly so it became a sentence. Okay, first a statement sentence. The second one is a question sentence. Okay, for example, number 1. Okay, take a look at this number 1. There's 3 words here. Okay, here's notebook. Okay, here we can see that we need the first one to put it on our first sentence. Okay, so we take a look at the H here. H is in capital letter. As you all know, a sentence must start with a capital letter. So here's goes for number 1. Alright, here's. So which one is the second one? Or notebook? We take a look at the notebook. Notebook has a full stop at the end. So we know that a sentence must end with a full stop. So notebook is the last one. So the second one would be okay, and the notebook is on the third. Okay, here's a notebook, just like the previous dialogue. Alright, the second one. So we must take a look at the capital letter, of course. So here we can see is starting with a capital letter, so we take ist. Okay, so we take a look at it and yours. Okay, we know that a sentence must end with a full stop, but here it doesn't have a full stop. It has a question mark. So when it is a question sentence, you must know that it must end with a question mark symbol. Okay, so yours will become the last one. So it would be the second one and yours the last. Is it yours? Okay, as you can see, the tone is up a little bit when you ask the question. Okay, compare to this one. Here's a notebook. It goes down. Your tone. Okay, tone suara tu akan ke bawah. Kalau question, is it yours? Yours, it ups a little bit. Okay, it goes up. Tone tu akan naik sedikit. Okay. And this is the task for today. Okay, I want you to rearrange these words to become correct sentences. Okay. There are no question sentences in here. It's just a statement. Okay, so what you're going to do, you're going to open up your BI1 exercise book, and then you're going to write the day of today and the date of today. Okay, don't forget this. Friday, 28th May 2021. Okay, and then the instruction. You have to write the instruction. Make sure to leave one line so that it becomes neat. Okay, and then you have to leave one line again, and then you have to write number 1 here. Okay, just exactly like what I do. Okay, in this slide. Okay, so I hope you can do this. Okay, just refer to what I just taught you in this video. Okay, don't forget. And after you're done, you post it to the Telegram group. Okay, so good luck. Thank you, everyone.